Magandang hapon po ng Friday, January 9, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, January 9, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayon January 9, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. The result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, January 9, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for January 9, 2026 Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, January 9, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.